Hey y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's Lush Talk together.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, 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 ho.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Welcome back.
With
Hello.
the kids jingle belling
What?
and everyone you feel good.
Oh, all right. We here, and I'm ready to
What are you ready to do?
mingle.
She's ready to mingle. That is wonderful.
Let's get it. I got the fist and this and the G5, this and the challenge, a big one. All right, let's go.
Okay. You ready? You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, excellent. Hi guys, we're back.
We're back.
It's the holidays. Yay!
It's the most
Wonderful time of the year. Dun, 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 dun.
Mariah Carey's almost unfrozen.
She is heavily
I
defrosted.
just want you for myself. I don't know the lyrics.
Okay, because I was like, I don't think that's how that goes. But
All I want for Christmas is you.
beautiful.
Y'all in those Macy lines, I see you. Lay away. I see you.
Not lay away. Oh,
Y'all used to be at Sears, but Sears closed down. Kmart closed down. So I see y'all at Sears. Macy's worldwide. Why? All right.
Okay, you sure you good?
I'm sure.
Okay, that was fun though. I'm telling you, you give us props and we go for it. I'm just, So we are here with another recipe. I know. We're gonna do a play on our favorite mimosa, okay? Because when can a mimosa go wrong? This here is a cranberry mimosa.
And I need somebody stand by me through the good times, the bad times. You always. Oh wait, I sunny day. All right.
Oh
go
my
ahead. I'm sorry, sis. I'm sorry.
Oh.
I'm in a holiday spirit. Let's get it.
Oh, I can't breathe. Okay, so listen, this is a really easy recipe.
Easy recipe.
And listen, around the holidays, you need something that's gonna taste good and be easy, okay?
Wait. This is a family episode.
Sorry.
Episode.
So anyway, you need 2 ingredients. Cranberry juice, good for the
Down below, where nobody ever goes. All right, go ahead.
and either a champagne or we have sparkling white wine in this particular instance.
That part is grind with me.
Did you just say this is family oriented and then you sing Ride
You
With Me?
right? But it's aftermath. Once the kids open those presents, it's all good, big dog. But go ahead.
Okay, and our champagne flutes, right? You're gonna prepare it with a sugar rim, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And you can see we have some rosemary, make it festive, you know what I'm saying?
Digestive system.
All of that.
Worldwide.
We also have some sugared cranberries, which we will be adding after we add our ingredients.
For those sugar daddies. Mind you, my Cash App is going to be listed below. Just want to let you know.
It's critical.
Gertrude will definitely appreciate it. She got to get her meds. Go ahead.
Gertrude definitely has a couple things on her list, I think.
Ooh, child. Gertrude's the whole vibe.
So, okay. Listen, we're gonna eyeball this. There is an actual amount listed, but if your champagne flute varies, then just eyeball it, okay?
Whatever the ancestors tell you.
The ancestors will guide you, okay?
That's fair.
So we're gonna put, that's about, just, the point is we want the cranberry juice for color.
Reporting live from Waldorf, Maryland. We're gonna go ahead and pour this. Ooh, child. Ooh. Well, all right, that's enough I need for that. Go ahead.
Yeah. And then the sparkling white wine.
I want to see what you do about it first, and then I'll go from there.
Okay.
This is my show.
This is your show? Sis lost her that. Who gave her the mic?
Somebody gave me the mic, but they knew what they was doing.
Oh, cameraman.
You sure it was the cameraman?
Yeah, I am sure. I'm sure he handed it to you.
So listen, sis, I got application from Fox 5, Channel 9, Papa Shut. Hey, I see you, big dog.
Hey, yo.
I
She
mean,
wildin'.
could you show me around with that weather report? You know what I'm saying?
What type of weather you talking about?
I said Papa Shut. Papa called me.
She wildin', bro. But hey,
Listen, I always had a crush on Papa. Like, when I was a child. I'm just saying. Hey, Natasha, you know what I'm talking about, sis? Right.
Hold on.
We love
First
versus
of all-
Papa Shut. I mean, Papa, can you hit me up? I want to know why your parents named you that. Like, I'm just curious. Like, who would say?
can you add
Papa.
your sparkling white wine to your beverage, please?
I mean, curious minds would like to know. Like, Topper is not a common name, and I'm just curious. I don't have no problem with it because you fine as a. I'm just saying.
Ma'am.
Oh wait, this is a kid's.
It's too late.
It's a family
too late.
episode.
It's too late, dog.
You know
It's too
what?
late.
Kids supposed to be in bed anyway. I don't care what nobody says. I don't care if it's winter break, summer break. Don't you got summer packets to do?
Summer. It's winter.
You right, winter package. I had to do that shit. That was like 50 pages.
Summer packet. You need to add more champagne than that. Where is
I
the
had
rest of
to wait. Listen. Who are you? You got a white lab coat?
Oh God, okay. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Because, you know, it might still runneth over.
It's the most wonderful time. They should have gave me this mic. They messed up.
They did mess up all the
They
way.
gave it to the wrong person. Give me this drink so I can stir real quick.
Could I just add a little bit more? Yours is lacking. It's lacking.
Is it lacking or is it potent?
Ain't nothing in your glass.
The rosemary kicking in, big dog.
Okay.
Reporting live.
Okay.
It's the most wonderful time.
Would you just do me a? You know what?
Merry
Never mind.
Christmas.
You can clean that up later.
Look. Unpopular topic. Mike Tyson is a. Listen. If you're available, just call me. All right.
God bless. Thank you.
But did you see how he did Holyfield?
I did see that. I think
Listen.
the world saw that.
Listen, I'm available. I will travel to Las Vegas and all. I'm just saying.
Is he still there?
I would think so.
Oh. Wow, girl.
Mike, regardless at the end of the day, the way you listen, I'm all for it, big dog. Look, I'm a fan. Hold up, wait. Get this shirt. Merry Christmas. And it will be a happy
Can I
New
add
Year
my
if you call me.
cranberries? Can I add my cranberries, please?
I'm trying to get bigger balls right now, okay?
Oh my God! Wow!
You know what?
All right, enough of that. Let's get back to the holiday spirit. I ain't got no kids.
That's y'all girl.
Forgive me. Oh, Jesus.
Girl, add your daggone cranberries. You done made a mess. You done, like, I don't even know. What is happening?
I'm just trying to get ready for the new car season. Shit. What the fuck?
Them car people is different, y'all.
What's that supposed to mean?
Yeah, you heard what I said.
All right, Nene.
I said what I said.
This looks festive, though.
It is really cute. All joking aside, this is cute.
You know what? I love her, even though she's a stickler sometimes. I love her, though. You know what I'm saying? But let's go. Ready?
I'm ready. Let's go. I mean,
I'll let you go first. I gotta get my thoughts together for
What?
this one.
damn. I was counting on you going first. You had a lot to say before.
Yeah, so I took a sip of this.
Is it the rosemary?
Go first.
Okay, all right. Okay, so here's the thing. If anyone has ever had rosemary of any sort, you know that it is unctuous, AKA fragrant, okay? So what happens is, in this particular recipe, we're using it as a garnish. And the thing that you smell as soon as you go to take a sip is the rosemary, okay? So it's a little powerful.
You can smell it?
I can.
My nose stopped up there.
I can smell it. But here's the deal. We used basic cranberry juice and sparkling wine. I'm really not a regular cranberry juice fan like that. I would prefer at least white cranberry, like jazz it up a little bit.
That would be great.
Because right now it's giving me mid. It's giving me basic.
Did you say mid?
Mid. It's giving me basic biatch, okay?
All the basic bitches. Calling all the basic bitches. There's a new announcement. You're basic.
However, she cute, she's just basic. Oh, you know what I'm saying? But, my bad, I left it out.
No, you're fine.
So, rating scale, I mean, I'm gonna give this a 7, not because I don't love a mimosa, but because the creativity is lacking a little bit.
Well, creativity on the palette side, not
On the
visual.
palette, exactly.
Got it.
Let me clarify.
Okay.
Because visually, this is cute. I mean, this is very, like, if you're having a holiday brunch or something, this is very cute, okay? You got your cranberries, your rosemary. It gives
that holiday feel.
kind of like
Yeah.
feel. So visually, it's very appealing. I think, like you said, on the palette wise, it's giving basic. I mean, listen, we're in the festive season. I expect elves to be jumping from the damn ceiling when I take a sip of my beverage, okay? And while they're at it, they're going to be delivering me a diamond necklace from
Did you say
Tiffany's.
elves?
Well, Santa's elves, specifically.
It is the season.
It's the season. So basically what I'm saying is I envision greatness when I am ready to partake in my holiday beverage.
Is it safe to say you're not feeling the holiday spirit?
I'm still in the holiday spirit, but basically it's almost as if I unwrapped my gift and it was like the Walmart brand of what I asked for. And it's just giving basic.
Like the grandma give you big drawers or something that you ain't want?
Or the like holly sweaters and stuff, or the printed tights. Miss Booth, my grandmother, she was good with the prints. She was good for a print, okay? And you know, prints wasn't really big back then. Growing up. You know, the big, yeah. So anyway, it's giving me basic. Okay, your turn.
I ain't even gonna hold you. I love my liquor. I love cranberry juice for many reasons, for health reasons. But this is not it. Visually, it's definitely pleasing. I like the look of it.
Very cute.
Definitely will have it if I had an event and I had to give that holiday vibe to it. But let's just face it. Basic cranberry juice with liquor is not it. I'm not feeling it. I'm gonna give this about. I'm gonna give this a 6 because I'm not feeling it. I mean, yeah, it's a mimosa at the end of the day, but it needs something else to set it off. Because cranberry juice, let's just be honest, is tart. It's tart. It's would you say bitter? Yeah. Okay. So I hear the good.
I'm testing something out. Go ahead.
The tart, the bitterness to it, and then you have just like basic sparkling wine, or as the recipe really calls for champagne, but of course most of us will use sparkling wine. It's not giving what it needs to give. For me, visually, I will give this a 10 across the board. It's definitely giving me holiday spirit, but taste-wise, it's not giving it to me. And once this sugar around the rim, sugar daddy's calling me, it's not giving me.
Gone.
It's not giving anything but just some type of blah taste. So for me, I'm gonna give this a solid 6. I just can't. I'd rather have a basic ass mimosa at this point with orange juice and of course champagne or sparkling wine and keep it moving.
Add you a little Grand Marnier.
Grand Marnier to it. Are you?
It's helping it out a little bit.
Oh, the guh is definitely a plus.
Right.
All right. Oh wait, I'm gonna just.
Yeah, just give it a little.
Ooh. Okay.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yep.
All right. Let me see. Add Grand Marnier to it. If not, its substitution for Grand Marnier is orange liqueur, right?
Yeah.
And
So-
orange liqueur.
Here's why I did that. I did it because for me the recipe was just a little bit too simplistic. However, this is what the caveat I will say with this is if you get like a white cranberry or one of those kind of Ocean Spray make 1,000 different type
Man,
of
what? They got their whole
cranberry
They got their whole owl by themselves.
combinations.
Yes.
Get you one of those that's just not the straight cranberry, and I think that you will enjoy it immensely. I think that if you want to make it super elegant or whatever, maybe
a little
top
kick
it. Yeah, maybe top it off with some Grand Marnier or something like that if you have it. I just think that would kind of kick it up a notch now. It is, well, because with the mimosas, you can have quite a few.
Quite a few.
But if you add the Grand Marnier, you need to reduce that a little bit.
Just a little bit, but it gives you that extra oomph that you
Yeah.
need because a basic mimosa, let's just be honest, is just like blah. We
it
drink
does the trick.
It does the trick, but I think Grand Marnier or like triple sec or any type of orange liqueur
Just adds a little something
little-
to it.
right.
So you know the deal. We would love to hear from you about how you feel about this.
Let us know if you do a spin-off.
Yeah.
White cranberry, apple cranberry. What else they got? Grape cranberry.
They they literally have every combination.
Shout
under
out
the
to Ocean Sprig because y'all be doing the damn thing. I don't see nobody else.
They're experimental as hell, okay? And they be doing them things, okay? So like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what your favorite holiday beverage is. Let us know what your favorite take on your mimosa is around the holidays. Because I think everybody kind of has like something different that they do with a mimosa around the holidays. Because the mimosa is the easiest kind of
It's
like
a universal
brunch thing or holiday thing to do. So imagine doing that like in a holiday spirit. So
Yeah.
we want to hear about that.
Mimosas are like almost like margaritas almost. It's like all year long, but different versions of it. So I would
Exactly.
definitely agree to what you were saying. Like, just let us know if you try a spin on it or whatever.
Yes.
But
We'll be back, people. And until then, enjoy your holiday season.
wish y'all luck. Wish y'all best. Hope y'all get with y'all family. Hey, listen, don't hold no grudges.
Don't do that.
Talk to your family. Those people that you ain't talked to in months, years. Listen, it's the holiday season. Go ahead and talk to them. Why
Have fun.
Start the new year off right.
Exactly. Cheers, y'all.
Cheers.
With the